Hello again and welcome to the third episode of this 4-part DIY with Gia series. I am so grateful for all of the feedback I have been receiving from you all. And let's get to it. So today we are going to be restyling this Ottoman footrest or whatever you want to call it. But before we start, here's a better look at what you will need. Throughout this week, I was searching for the perfect fabric to match what I have in my home. And after a long search, I came across this fabric at Ottoman in our country. But unfortunately, it was out of stock. So the employees kindly allowed me to purchase the sample, which they fabulously fashioned into a curtain. But that's neither here or there. I got the fabric, so let's get to work. So there are two ways you can style or restyle your ottomans or poofs. Most of them already have a layer that can be removed, such as this one. But not everyone is handy with the sewing machine to be able to sew this perfectly for their poofs, ottomans, or whatever. So the easy way is to just place this fabric over the ottoman and staple it down. So what I want to do is I want to create certain pleats into this fabric to make my ottoman a little bit more detailed. Not everyone has to do this. You're going to do it however you want. But just for the details, I want to create pleats in between certain inches around the ottoman. So let's get to work. So after stapling everything down, this is what your ottoman or your poof or your footrest is supposed to look like. Now, I don't want to leave mine like this. I went on and created a couple of tassels myself to add around the ottoman. And I'm going to show you how you can make your own tassels at home. so after creating your tassels, you decide how you want to place them around your ottoman. This is just an example of how you can group them together as well. If you decide to restyle an ottoman or a poof at home, I would love it if you could tag me in your posts or your stories on Facebook, G Restyling Projects, or on Instagram at G Restyling. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit the bell notifications to be notified when I post another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!